Well, let's go into our commodities market this afternoon to see what they are, how they are faring. First, as always, is gold, silver, copper, and platinum. Gold is stayed steady at $3,609.10, and it's 0.07% in positive. The change is 2.40, and it's been on this trajectory since the beginning of the week. Silver is 41.47, that's $41.47. Copper is $459.35, while platinum is $1,384.04 and is 0.51% in green. All of these commodities are in green, 0.77%, positive 3.50. Silver is 0.13% in positive. Corn, wheat, cocoa, and cotton. Corn is down, still down. It was in red yesterday, and today is still down, selling at $418.75 per metric ton. Wheat is $519.75 per metric ton, while cocoa is $7,399. Cocoa obviously is down in red, 3.52% negative. Cotton is 65.92, that's $65.92, negative 0.28. And 0.42% in red. Only wheat on this chart is in green, selling for $519.75, positive 0.25, 0.05% in green. But to the commodities market today, all of the markets are smiling in green as Asian stocks tracked Wall Street rise to a record high. And the Treasury yields today give us that positive trend is what we've seen in the global markets. Let's start with the S&P 500 features as it is in green, 0.2%. That's S&P 500 here in 0.2% in green. Nasdaq features is 0.4% in green, bouncing up in green. Nickel, 0.9% in green, while we see the Taiwanese industrial average is also up 1.1%. Today, we say Asian stocks tracked Wall Street rise to a record high, and Treasury yields eased to a 4-month low as traders cemented bets for the Federal Reserves to cut rates this month. U.S. dollar eased, giving up small gains as traders adjusted positions ahead of a labor report. Expectations of an easier monetary environment have supported global equities S&P 500, like I said earlier, which points to a 0.2% in green. The Nasdaq features advanced 0.4%, while the Taiwan stocks benchmark climbed 1.1%. Now, the Nikkei rose 0.9%, also in green, as Hong Kong Hang Seng added 0.8% in green. Mainland blue chip advanced 1%. That's it here. Australian stocks gained 0.5%. It's the opposite for crude oil prices. The extended decline in the third session, heading for a weekly lows for the first time in 3 weeks as supply expectations grew. United States West Texas Intermediate crude fell to $63.20 per barrel, down 0.44%. Brent crude futures sells for $66.75, down 0.36%. For Bonny Light, it sells for $78.62, also down 2.84%. And for the OPEC basket, dealers offer $71.32 with a downward margin of 0.86%.